This screencast will demonstrate the first task of homework for which is for the file IO part, and it requires us to have two containers, one which is going to output some content to a file, and the other container would access this container via links and then try to print out the content of the file which is being set by the other container. So this is just using one host. As you can see, the IP addresses are same both, and I'm just having two separate container. I'll show you the Docker how the Docker file looks like for each of these containers. So in this, I just installed Socat, and then container one is going to write hello from container one to a file called a.log, and then it's gonna listen for any connections on port 9001, and say if it gets a connection, then it's gonna use system cat a.log, and which will send the content of the a.log. And similarly over here, the Docker file would just install socat and curl so that we can use it to get content from this a.log file. I'm just going to go and build the file. So this is the server container. So successfully. This is the client container. I'm going to run the server. So 5 seconds ago we had this container running, which is the server container, which is run by this particular command. So now I'm just gonna run the container here as well. Right, so this is so this is the run command that we're going to use, and let's see if we get anything. So we did get hello from container, which was written to a file by this container using the curl command. And similarly we can also use socat. Just try yeah, so I'm also going to try socat, and we can get hello from container 1 as well in container 2. So this demonstrates that there have been links set up using the link command, and so we set the name to be server here as well, like this. So this server becomes a alias for this particular container, and this is how it works. So that's about it for task 1.